Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your account on Cascade ATR. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, and in the search bar, type in Cascade Co. UK. It will take you to the official website of Cascade ATR. Over here, in the top right corner, you can see the account icon. Click on it, and it will take you to this interface. Scroll down a bit, and you will see various login portals. Choose your appropriate one. It will take you to the login portal, and over here, it asks for your username of your account. Once you do that, enter your password and click on Remember Me if you are using a private computer for further use. But if you are using a public computer, I do not recommend you to do that for your privacy. In case if you guys forgot your password, you can click here Forgot Your Password to reset it. Once you do that, click on the Login button, and you will be logged into your Cascade ATR account. So that's much for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like, and please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, hit the bell icon for the latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.